Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Russia confirms Oreshnik use in massive missile and drone attack on Ukraine. Russian forces attacked Ukraine overnight on the 24th of May 2026 with 690 aerial weapons, including 90 missiles and 600 uncrewed systems of various types, Ukraine's Air Force said on Telegram. The attack included ballistic, hypersonic and cruise missiles, as well as several types of drones, loitering munitions and decoys. Among the missiles detected over Ukraine was one intermediate-range ballistic missile launched from the Kapustin Yar test range in Russia's Astrakhan region. Ukraine identified it as an Oreshnik missile and said it struck targets in Belert Serkver, about 80 kilometers south of Kiev. Russia's defense ministry confirmed on Sunday that it had used the Oreshnik, along with other missile types, to strike Ukrainian military command and control facilities, air bases and military-industrial enterprises. The ministry did not specify where the targets were located. The ministry said the attack was retaliation for Ukrainian strikes on civilian facilities on Russian territory. It did not immediately provide further details. It was the third reported Russian use of the Oreshnik missile. The first took place in November 2024 against the Yuzmash plant in Dnipro, while the second occurred in January 2026 against targets in the Lviv region. Russia also used two Kh-47M2 Kinshal aeroballistic missiles launched from the Leipzig region. 3 3M22 Tsirkin hypersonic antiship missiles were fired from Crimea and Russia's Kursk region. Russian forces also launched 30 Iskander-M and S-400 ballistic missiles from Bryansk, Kursk and Crimea. A further 54 Kh-101, Iskander-K and Kalibr cruise missiles were launched from the Vologda and Kursk regions and from the Black Sea. Russian drones were launched from the Bryansk, Kursk, Oryol and Rostov regions, including the Milarovo area, as well as from Primorsko-Akhtarsk in Krasnodar Krai. Drones were also launched from Crimea, including Hvardeysk and Chordar. The uncrewed systems included Shard family strike drones, Gerbera and Atalmers drones, and Banderol loitering munitions. Russia also used parodiotype decoy drones. Ukraine's Air Force said Ukrainian defenses destroyed 604 aerial targets. These included 11 Iskander-M or S-400 ballistic missiles and 44 Kh-101, Iskander-K and Kalibr cruise missiles. Ukrainian forces also neutralized 549 drones of various types. The figures point to one of the largest combined Russian strikes reported in recent months. As of 11 a.m. on the 24th of May, at least 65 people had been wounded in Kiev and the Kiev region as a result of the Russian attack. 4 people died from their injuries. Kiev recorded the highest number of casualties. 2 women, aged 44 and 86, were killed, while 56 people were wounded, including 2 children. 30 of the wounded were taken to city hospitals. 3 were reported to be in serious condition. At least 27 high-rise buildings were damaged in Kiev. A market building, a business center and a shopping center were also damaged. Damage was also reported in the Vyshhorod, Brovary, Fastiv and Buchar districts of the Kiev region. Private homes, high-rise buildings, a medical clinic and a logistics center were damaged there, while 2 people were killed and 9 were wounded. The mass Russian attack followed a Ukrainian drone strike on the night of the 22nd of May against a dormitory of the Starobilsk Vocational School of Luhansk Pedagogical University in the Russian-occupied part of the Luhansk region. Russian President Vladimir Putin on Friday condemned the strike and ordered the Russian military to submit proposals for retaliation. Putin said there were no military or law enforcement facilities near the college. Moscow blamed Kiev for the strike, while Ukrainian officials said the victims were participants in a course for drone operators from the secret Rubicon unit. The death toll from the Starobilsk strike rose to 21 after search and rescue operations ended, the press service of Russia's Ministry of Emergency Situations said late on Saturday. It said 42 other people were injured in the attack. Kremlin-installed authorities in the Luhansk region announced 2 days of mourning on Sunday and Monday to honor the victims. Russian officials said the dormitory housed 86 civilians, pupils of the school aged between 14 and 18. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of electronics technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @electronics technology 50.